Hi, my name's Carl Harrison. I design and build gardens. We're in a beautiful garden that we have the privilege to design. And it all started when the client said, I want some decking. And I want it to look really stylish. Within a few nanoseconds of that thought process, Millboard went ta-da with the Modello. And I thought, well, that's just a match made in heaven. And I think it looks absolutely beautiful, and so does the client. It doesn't have the shortcomings that the majority of timber installations have. Irrespective of how beautifully you design something, you've still got to maintain it. But the maintenance with Millboard is minimal. It's a designer's dream. It's a client's dream.